Hello, and I am Alexander F., student in the Galilean Community College in the class of Topics in Astronomy, and today I would like to speak about the Galilean Moons, which are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, discovered by astronomer Galileo Galilei in 1610 using his telescope. All four are very different worlds in their own right worthy speaking of. Io. Its name comes from a mythical woman turned cow by Zeus when he had an argument with his wife, Hera. Io is the closest to Jupiter of the four moons and can be described as an inferno of never-ending fire, lava, and surface activity. Its high activity is caused by gravity, as it is pulled by a giant Jupiter on one side and the other moons, making a hot blob in its inside, always spewing out lava and creating a new crust layer called tidal heating. And its process is similar to Earth's tides caused by its own moon. Because of this, it is the youngest surface in the solar system, always getting renewed with an endless supply of lava, but also making one of the most inhospitable places in the solar system. It is like living inside a cave full of volcanoes. However, Io's high activity makes for its unique colors seen in outer space and its surface, as seen by the pictures here. Europa's name is derived from a lover of Zeus, a princess from Phoenicia. Europa is the next Galilean moon, and it is special as it is a very Earth-like moon compared to the others. It has a frozen solid ocean with water in its inside. Due to tidal flexing similar to Io, the ocean renews itself, as well as the ice layer on its surface, considering its low amount of craters in its surface. Though it experiences tidal effects, they are not as harsh as with Io, though it is strong enough to create internal heating, creating geological activity. This activity is what renews the huge ice sheet, as seen by its ridges, where there is said to be a ocean under. As we examine it with more rover expedition, the possibility of life remains only a possibility. Ganymede is another mythical lover of Zeus, and this time it is a prince from Troy. Ganymede is the third Galilean moon, and though it resembles Earth's moon at first glance, having the same structure of a surface of craters, it is actually covered in a thick layer of ice, and under its thick layer of ice is a thick crust. It is also larger than the planet Mercury, making it the largest moon in our solar system. Ganymede is a very strange world, seeming dead at first glance, but is said to have oceans, ice, and layers and evidence of a magnetic field, and an oxygen atmosphere. Though unlikely it can support life at this time, it can be researched similar to Europa, for traces of it and its development. Callisto, the last of the Galilean moons. Callisto is also another lover of Zeus. It is the farthest away from Jupiter of all the four Galilean moons, and being the farthest away, it is the least active, as there is no force pulling it apart from Jupiter's orbital force and no other force on its other side. As a result, it is the least active moon. It is complete opposite from Io in every way, being already the farthest away compared to Io's closest. Callisto has no tidal flexing, leaving its inside to quickly cool upon forming. As a result, there is no new crust being made. The ice sheet in the crust has remained there ever since it formed, left only to gather dust similar to that shelf in your room that has never been cleaned. It is only hit by asteroids. Callisto has the oldest surface in the solar system, though like Io, it makes for a unique dusty surface with shining white spots as seen from space as it is hit by asteroids. In conclusion, all these four moons discovered by Galileo in the 15th century can be used to explore as case studies for the formation of our early solar system, from the deadest moon of Callisto to Io, the most active and most violent in the solar system. All can tell different stories about how different bodies live in the solar system. Thank you for watching.